Welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about the View Manager in WebDigital. So the View Manager is a major part of responsive design. After you do your responsive design, like the way that we have done here, if you look at the CSS of this test page, we have this responsive rule here. Container is over here. Normally it's flex, and when we get to the portrait, it's block. Right, so that's basically an example of responsive design as we go to the lower side. And to be able to test that, you need to change the view size, and you can see it over here. This is part of the view manager. These are like pinned views. So we have a tablet view by default at about 960, and the mobile landscape, mobile portrait. So these are standard sized. And if you change the freehand mode, that's basically enabling the free movement without the device size. All right. So this is all fine and dandy, but what if you want to have something custom? Like you may have custom medias over here. Like in this case, we don't have something different, but you can add different medias, and in order to go with that, you may want to change the views over here. So when you click on here, you open up the View Manager, and this basically allows you to fine-tune the on the fly whatever width that you're looking for. So 1800, whatever, or and the height as well. So sometimes you're working with mobile devices, you want to see different heights, so you can actually do that. And when the height and width is, let me just click on this to go to maximum. When the height and width are maximum, then you can actually use the scale to see what the design would look like in a resolution that's bigger than your current device. So, for example, my device right now is 1920 resolution, but I can see 2400 resolution, how my design would look like. So this is actually very handy. So let's just take this and pin it over here. So in this case, when we click on here, it shows the pinned settings. The freehand mode is always going to be there, but these are customizable. So if you click on it, it shows you, you can edit the view, the name, it can be full width. The tablet, you can see it's not full width, it's 960 by default, and mobile landscape and mobile portrait, etc. So let's just add a view of our own. So let's call this big screen. And this is going to be full width, that's fine. And it's going to be, you can set the minimum width and the maximum width. So in this case, we can say something like 1200 minimum width. So this is basically going to determine how wide we can go with adjusting sides, the width. The height percentage, the scale, so we're going to call this 80%. Obviously, this assumes that we're doing, it assumes a certain resolution that you're working with. And you can pick different icons. Let's pick desktop in this case. All right, and now we added it. And as soon as we added it, you can see over here, we can now there's not enough space for 4, so it switches to a drop down like this. So we can actually go to different views easily like that. And now it's actually saved, so you can actually even commit it so that you can actually work with the same resolutions going forward. That's about it. Thank you very much for watching.